Uno Reflex, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Turn on the Reflex game unit and place it in the middle of the table. At the end of your turn, when you've played a card, you must push and release the Reflex button one time. You will hear a sound if you pressed it correctly. If one of the colored lights illuminates, then all players must race to lay down any single matching colored card that matches the light from their hand face up on the table in front of them, then press the button. If you are the first to do this, then your card is discarded and becomes the new top card in the discard, and play continues to the player after you in the current direction of play. If your matching card was an action card, then perform the action. You are allowed to lay down a wild or wild draw 4 card in response to any color, even if you have another card that matches the color. If you lay down the wrong color and press the button, then you take your card back and draw 2 penalty cards, and play continues with the next player in the original order. If no player can match the color, then press the button and play continues with the next player in the original order. Whenever you play a wild or wild draw 4 card, you do not get to pick the color that resumes play. Instead, you must press and hold the Reflex button instead of performing a single press. All the lights will play in order. Now, once you release the button, one light will remain illuminated. That determines the color that must continue play on top of the wild. Press the button one more time to clear the lights and end your turn. If you had played a wild draw 4, then the next player must draw the 4 cards before you press the button.